Hello friends, my name is Anshika and today I am going to make bookmark. So, what is a bookmark? Bookmark is a material which is used to mark the page in the book where we left reading. It helps us in find the page where we left reading. So, let's start. First, let me tell you what are the materials required for this activity. So, we need an A4 sheet, whitener, pencil, glue, black sketch pen, a white strip, scale, colored pens, scissors, and any decorative materials. So let's start making. For making this activity, we first need this A4 sheet. We will have to fold it like this, and with the help of scale, I am going to do it like this. Now, I will cut this remaining portion with the help of this scissor. So let me cut it. If you don't know how to cut, you can take help of your parents. Now we have to fold it like this, and then we have to match this point to the upper part. And fold it. And similarly we have to do with this one. Now we will open it and we will take this one and put it to this point and fold it. Now after this we will take this point and put it inside this, and same we have to do with this one. Is ready. Now we will decorate it like a monster. For decorating, we need a white strip. To this strip, I will draw a line here. And then after this remaining portion, I will going to draw the triangles for the teeth of the monster. the teeth. Now we will cut it. Have cutted the teeth. Now in this up portion we will apply glue. Now we will paste it. Now we will cut this remaining portion. See, the teeth is ready. Now we will make eyes. I will make eyes with the help of black sketch pen. I will make big circle and fill it. We will do same in the other side. Now we will make eyelashes. After making eyelashes, with the help of whitener, I will make 2 circles. Now, our bookmark is ready and it is really looking like a monster. Now I will apply it on my book. Like I was reading this chapter 7 and I have stopped reading here. So I can put this bookmark here and close it. But next day when I open, I can see this purple bookmark, and when I open it, it quickly helped me to quickly find my page. There I was reading, and it's looking and it is written that it is eating the pages of the book. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.